Pig candy. It's smoky, it's sweet, it's spicy, it's easy to make. It's kind of like a bacon jerky. Let's make it. Today I'm smoking pig candy. I've got my smoke going, I've got my grill set up at 350 degrees. If you've never had this before, it's absolutely delicious. This is another recipe that you have to try. It's very good. I've got some bacon that's thick cut. You can see how nice and thick that is. And I'm just going to lay it out on the rack here. I also have some pepperoni. I'm going to make some pepperoni chips. Smoked pepperoni chips. It's kind of like the pig candy, but it's with pepperoni. Okay, the first thing we want to do is put some cayenne pepper on top of the bacon and the pepperoni. Then I've got my Popper chicken rub. This will be in the recipe below in the show notes. We're going to put some of this rub on top of the bacon and a little bit on the pepperoni. Okay, now time for the sugar. I'm using a Swerve Brown Sugar. It tastes just like regular brown sugar, but it's not sugar. And we're just going to sprinkle a little bit on the top. Okay, I put some on the pepperoni too. And I'm smoking with Jack Daniels today. And you can see what this looks like. We're going to go in at 350 degrees for about 10 to 15 minutes, and then we'll flip it. Okay, so I flipped the bacon after about 10 to 15 minutes, and the total time was about 25 minutes. I'm just going to pull it out now. It's all nicely smoked, and I'm going to let this cool for a couple of minutes. It has to be completely cool, or the sugar is going to burn your mouth. These sweet and spicy pepperoni chips took about 10 minutes to make. They're really good as little dippers for crab dip and whatever you want. That's pretty easy to make. The pig candy is like a jerky, like a bacon jerky. It's sweet, it's spicy, it's smoky. Don't put me in charge of it. That's all I've got to say. If you've never made pig candy, you have to try it. It's fun and it's yummy. Thanks for watching.